How do we practice self-awareness? How do we practice managing our own self before we start trying to manage other people? And it's been very effective and very well received for the 10 years we've been doing it. So I'm super excited to be part of the program for all these 10 years. I'm Brenda Florida, certified life coach and former realtor, and I teach building a team for success and emotional intelligence and leadership effectiveness for the Leadership Development Program at Tri-County Suburban Realtors. Everything that we talk about in these 2 days of the curriculum that I teach is applicable in our personal lives and our professional lives. And so that is also something important to me, because I'm very focused on not just ideals and concepts, but how do we make it practical and apply it. So we start with team building, how to create this high-functioning team, and then we move into day 2, emotional intelligence, which to me is kind of the missing piece to leadership. There are a lot of leadership programs and leadership training classes where you learn strategic thinking and other things that are part of being a leader, but those more strategic, hard skills of it, even the skills of the business. But what I have found through my own leadership growth and working with others is that this piece of emotional intelligence, which is our relationship with ourselves and our relationships with others and how we manage those, is the part that nobody really talks about. I think partly because people aren't sure how to solve the problem. It's like, oh yeah, be a good leader, be self-aware. But then if the person is like, well, great, how do I become more self-aware? They don't know what to do with that, so they just don't talk about it, or they teach concepts. And so what we do here is very much, break it down, and I give everybody a lot of tools for how do we practice self-awareness? How do we practice managing our own self before we start trying to manage other people?